Check out this charcoal. This is when you know you're in the right spot. When you got flint falling out everywhere and you got big pieces of charcoal like this. See if we can get something to fall out live here. Flint chips and stuff falling out everywhere. Let's see, every swipe, I mean, it's sabotage everywhere. Charcoal. Some point up these roots. Charcoal. I mean, there's sabotage all over the ground, everywhere, no matter what you do. Just falls out everywhere. Shit fell out. Stuff. Pieces of sabotage. Maybe we'll get us a point. Get up in here. This is where that last one fell out. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Same spot, baby. Live fine, David. Same spot. Come on over. Come on over, my friend. Check that out. Thank you, Lord. That's what it's all about. I wanted to get y'all a live find, and I got y'all one. Check it out. That's number 2. 2 holes so far.